Welcome to the video for lesson and quiz 5.14, Wind and Human Activity. We know there's wind on the earth. How does it impact people, and how has it impacted people in the past? Please take a moment to pause the recording and read the goals and objectives for this lesson. Next, you're going to want to open up the student guide. You may want to print this or just keep it open. It will help you take notes on the lesson. You can find it in page 3 of the lesson introduction. Wind and human activity. Weather and circulation patterns influence human activity. For example, sailors rely heavily on global wind patterns, air circulation, energy transfer in order to navigate the oceans. And it happens in a predictable way. So make sure you know a few terms. Looking at this map, you need to know that the equator is at 0 degrees latitude, the equator. We also say that there's calm winds here, and these are also called the doldrums. So make sure you know that the doldrums are the calm winds near the equator. Next are the trade winds. Trade winds go from 30 degrees north to the equator and 30 degrees south to the equator. I would suggest pausing this recording to write these things down. First of all, the doldrums are the calm winds at the equator. Trade winds are the winds from 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south to the equator. These were used a lot by early explorers in their travels. Early explorers used the trade winds to, you guessed it, trade with one another. At the 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south, we call these the horse latitudes. They're called the horse latitudes because it is calm here. There's very little wind, and early travelers, the rumor says that they used to have to throw their horses overboard in order to get the boats to move. They need to make them lighter. So these are the horse latitudes at 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south. Make sure you know that. Again, the doldrums are calm. They are at the equator. Trade winds go from 30 degrees north and south to the equator, and they were used by early explorers to trade goods and services. Let's see if decisions had to be made about what time of day is best to enter the harbor. So remember, a sea breeze comes from the sea and it goes to the beach or the port. So sailors would want to use the sea breeze in order to enter a beach because it comes from the sea and pushes them to the land. They also needed to know, early people needed to know about monsoons. Like we just mentioned, local winds influence the time of day a ship arrives. So again, a sea breeze goes from the sea. So during the day, a sailor would want to use a sea breeze to come to the shore. At night, a land breeze helps the boats leave. Make sure you know this. Again, trade winds are 30 degrees north and south to the equator. Horse latitudes are at 30 degrees north and south. Good luck on your test and quiz.